If you saw my last video, this thing chased me away last time. It's been 2 days and that's the water. It's going to be great. Anything else in here? It's going to be a great water bill. I did not leave that on. There it is. It's non-stop. What the hell? Would you please stop? I told you I'm leaving. I gotta go through and close everything again. Every time. If you want my attention that much, you have my attention. What do you want? This thing is do the doors. Would you please stop this? Okay, I'm gonna go again. I'm gonna leave for another couple days. I gotta go back for my keys.
Kita deketin, kita zoom. Anjir, kita hancur boy. Ih, lihat mukanya hancur gini anjir. Harus dikasih skincare ini mah boy. Kayaknya sering pakai skincare yang abal-abal ini boy. Anjir, dulu nyala gini boy. Astaghfirullahaladzim. La ilaha illallah Muhammadar Rasulullah. Subhanallah.
Don't even
Come on, go upstairs.
Oh my, no. Oh, I don't go. There's nothing there. No, I can't.
There's nothing there.
Oh God.
Oh no.
I think it's that. There's someone on the back porch. Oh my God, I think there was something fucking in my room. I don't know.
This woman captured this when she heard someone screaming from outside.
Outside my window. Oh my God. What? There's a guy out there and he's just staring out my window. What is he doing? He's staring at me. I don't know.
Cek kolong. Cek kolong yang bener aja, cu.
Ini loh saudara lu nih, bahas kalian ini.